Hello. So in this video, we're going to talk through a little bit more into our training section, and we're going to specifically talk through playlists. So if you go to the CTACny.org website, which is where all of the MCTAC and CTAC trainings and resources and tools are housed for you, and you go to the training tab in the menu, you'll see a number of different options. The first is our training search. Then there's playlist, series, and special initiatives. So in this video, we're going to talk through playlist, but there are a number of other videos that you can look to learn more about the other sections under training. So clicking playlist, we're brought to our playlist page. So on this page, you'll find a variety of different playlists, each on their own topic. Now, why might you want to go to this playlist page when you're looking for certain trainings? It's because the playlists are a curated list that we put together of trainings on a specific topic. So I'll go through in a minute and show you some of the different topics that are available. But if you click on any one of these, you're going to see a selection of trainings relevant to that area that we have had throughout our history of providing trainings with MCTAC and CTAC. So we've gone through over a wide period of time a number of different trainings, and we've gathered them together based on their topics. So it's not that these were done in a series or all in a row necessarily, but it's that they're gathered from all of the trainings we offer so that you can get a completer view of these topics by viewing one of these playlists and the various trainings available within it. All right, so if you know you want to learn more about a certain topic, but you're not sure how to look for resources or what resources might be relevant to you, then the playlist page is a great way to look at a curated list that was already made for you to see what's available and to get started learning. So here we go. We have our playlist. So I'm just gonna click a few of them, but you'll see there's a number of different options. If you're new to a program, if you want to view that playlist, if you're working in schools, maybe that one. We've got foundational skills for CTAC providers. That's available to you. Leadership, billing. So there's a number of different options. Maybe you're looking to hire, etc. So you've got a lot of different options under the playlist that you can click into. We've got social determinants of health. We've got 29I health facilities. And so if there's one of these that you're interested in or a topic you want to learn more about, you can click it. So let's say we want to learn more about the social determinants of health. I would just hit view trainings, and then I would see the specific trainings that are in this playlist. And so you can see a little bit more information about each of them, including the presenters, population type, etc. And you'll see there's a number of different trainings available here. And so you can view them, any of them, all of them, to get more information on the topic of social determinants. And so when I want to view one, I would just click it, and I'd be brought to the training page where the slides are, the recording is, some more information is available, etc. And you can see here I was brought straight to the recording page because I'm already logged in, which you can see in the top right-hand corner. If I wasn't already logged in, I would just be prompted to log into the website at that point, and I could easily log in with the credentials that I've already set up for my account. And as a reminder, it's the same login information you would use for the registration system, the same login information you would use for the self-learning center. That's how you can log into our website to view trainings and tools. And you can log in at the beginning of your session on our website, or you can log in when prompted when you're trying to view a specific resource. So again, going back to the playlist, there's a lot of different options I can view, or I can view all of them to get a fuller picture. And if I'm done, I can hit back to playlist and see a variety of the other options that are here. So that's our playlist functionality. It's a curated list for you on these topics. Again, these topics cover clinical topics, business topics, peer-focused topics, and so you've got a lot of different resources here for you.